Hi guys, this is Achut. So we are going to be solving today's lead code question, which is find the town judge. So we are given n people, like there will be from 1 to n, and then there is a rumor that one of these people is secretly the town judge. There is a rumor that one of these people is secretly the town judge. There is a there is a rumor that one of these people is going to be the town judge, and if the town judge exists, then the town judge trusts no one. Suppose let's say we are given n people. Let's say 1, 2 till n. There will be a town judge, and then it is exactly given that the town judge trusts no one. Suppose let's say there is a number judge number judge trusts no one. So the judge is not going to trust anyone, and then everybody trusts the town judge. That means town judge trusts no one, and then everyone trusts town town judge. So everyone trusts town judge, and then there is exactly one person that satisfies these two properties. That means town judge trusts no one, and then everyone except town judge trusts the town judge. So we need to find the town judge. If the town judge exists and cannot be identified, then we need to return -1. So if the town judge doesn't exist, then we need to return -1. If he exists, then we can say the whatever the number of the town judge, we need to return them. So let's say we are given n equal to 3. N equal to 3. That means there will be 1 and then 2 and then will be 3. Suppose let's say one is judge. That means he doesn't trust anyone. He doesn't trust anyone. And then 2 must trust 1, and then 3 must trust 1. So whenever we say the judge, whoever is the judge, he doesn't trust anyone, and then whoever is not the judge, then he must trust the judge. That means, let's say we declare the directed graph from person to person who trusts. So 1 doesn't trust anyone, and then 3 trusts 1, and then 2 trusts 1. 2 trusts 1. So as we can see that the number of incoming edges to 1 is 2. Incoming edges is 2, and then outgoing edges must be 0. So whenever we say he is a judge, that means the number of incoming edges must be n minus 1, and then number of outgoing edges must be 0. So instead of taking two arrays for storing the incoming edge and then outgoing edge from particular number, we can store in one array only, and then for incoming edge we'll add the count of that array, and then for outgoing edge we are going to decrement the count of the edge, and then whenever we see at last count equal to n minus 1, then we can say is the town judge, and then we are going to return. If it doesn't exist, then we are not going to return. We are going to return minus 1. So let's count that. Let's take degree vector int. Let's take it as degree, and then size comma 0, and then for every we are going to consider edge, which is going to be e. Let's write it as edge, and then trust. At this particular time, we are going to increment the degree of edge 1, and we are going to decrement the edge of 0 minus minus. And then at last, we'll go through all the elements, and then if degree of I double equal to n minus 1, then we are going to say return I. Otherwise, we are going to return minus 1. As we can see that the people labeled from 1 to n, so it should be from 1 to n. So we need to add 1 here, and then it should be from here 1 to less than or equal to n. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's run this. So here we are taking the degree, and then here we are taking each edge and then incrementing the edge. For the second one, we are decrementing the edge, and then for all the elements, we are checking. Okay, let's see what is the error. Let's consider here n. Yeah, let's submit this. It might be due to this will be long and then we are adding one. So that might be the case. Maybe we need to cache that. So this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. And if we see the time complexity is going to be big of n, and then space complexity is going to be big of n itself. Why? Because we are using extra space which is big of n. And then as we are going through one for loop, as we are incrementing I plus plus, and then it is going to be big of n for the time complexity. Thanks for watching.